The biggest mistake you're likely making with your breathing is that you are breathing too shallow and it's too up here, not deeply into the belly. Here's the thing, we aren't taught how to breathe in school, and this is the most important thing for your overall health, longevity, and reducing your stress levels. See, if we learn how to use our lung capacity and use our diaphragm properly, we're going to enhance our overall health. We're going to improve our heart health. We're going to reduce our stress levels. We're going to improve the ability to generate energy in our body because we have more oxygenation in our cells. So this reduces fatigue and brain fog. It's going to improve our detoxification system because our lymphatic system is going to be even better. So there's numerous benefits here in terms of overall health, feeling better, having a better immune system, improving your performance. So why not learn how to breathe properly and include it consciously into your daily routine as much as possible? Okay. So what I recommend is learning how to deep belly breathe or diaphragmatic breathe. And you can do that by putting one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. I'm going to step a little bit back here. And as you breathe in, we want to make sure the breath is mostly going into the belly and not breathing up here, right? So when we're not thinking about it, we're just breathing shallowly in up into the chest, and it's very short, and it's not really using the full capacity of our lungs. So really feeling into the belly, putting at least one hand on the belly button, taking a big breath in, pushing the belly out. Letting it go, relaxing. You can breathe in and out through the nose here. If it's easier, you can breathe out through the mouth, but I'm encouraging you to breathe in through the nose. So let's take another breath in. Make sure the top hand stays where it is. Only the bottom hand is moving here. Breathing in. Letting it go. So continue breathing at this pace. The diaphragm and the lungs is actually a container. So the diaphragm sits right underneath the lungs, kind of an umbrella shaped. And when we breathe into the belly, it's not just pushing the belly out, but it's actually expanding the belly, side ribs, and the back, almost like a balloon or a sphere that's expanding in all directions. So once we learn how to expand the lungs, especially the lower part of the lungs, front, back, side to side, you can even grasp the side of your low waist and try it this way a few times. Taking a breath in, letting it go. So the other thing that we're doing is we're consciously extending the breath. This is important. So continue to breathe at this pace, roughly 5 to 6 seconds in, 5-ish seconds out. And by breathing at this rhythm and this pace, you are going to improve the amount of oxygen you're bringing in, but you're also regulating your nervous system. You're regulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest system. This is going to help reduce cortisol levels. It's going to improve your stress hormones. It's going to help you function so much better. You're going to think more clearly. You're going to feel more relaxed, but also have more energy. It's this beautiful balance. And this breath is always available to us. Now, for those of you who are struggling to really get the breath into the belly, there are a few suggestions that I have and a few different exercises that I have for you. One, which we've done a little bit of, is just pushing into the belly a little bit. So you can take both hands, just push them into the belly button, and then as you breathe in, push out into the hands. So that way you're going to get a little bit of feedback. Okay. If this is too challenging, you can lie down on your back and put a weight on your belly, like a sandbag or a heavy pillow or a book, and work on pressing that up using the resistance of gravity. And that's a great way to train your diaphragmatic breathing. So here I'm demonstrating lying down on the back. You can begin in this position with the knees bent and the hands over the belly, just getting comfortable, inhaling into the belly, pushing it up into the sky against the hands. Once you're comfortable with that, you can add a weight to your belly, a cushion, a book, whatever works for you. And as you breathe in, you're pressing the belly up into the sky using the reinforcement of the weight. This will naturally train your diaphragm to engage properly and more functionally, helping you improve your overall health without even thinking about it. So, highly recommend practicing this technique here. And before you know it, you're going to feel a stronger diaphragmatic breath to enhance your overall health and vitality. So, just to recap, if you learn to breathe deeply into the belly, especially in through the nose, for the majority of the day, you are going to improve your health, your energy, your vitality. You're going to reduce your stress. You're going to feel so much better. Try your best to incorporate this as much as you can throughout the day. And I highly suggest you just take a few breaks and then take 1 minute of deep belly breathing. See what that does for you. You're going to feel your energies dramatically improved. Thanks for following along today, and I'll see you on the next one.